Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is oxygenated blood is supplied to all body parts from A. Right atrium, B. Left atrium, C. Right ventricle, and D. Left ventricle. So the correct option is D. Left ventricle. The next MCQ is mitral valve prevent the flow of blood from A. Right atrium to right ventricle, B. Left atrium to left ventricle, C. Right atrium to left atrium, and D. Left ventricles to left atrium. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is first artery that arises from the base of aorta. A. Pulmonary artery, B. Coronary artery, C. Renal artery, and D. Iliac artery. So the correct option is B. Coronary artery. The next MCQ is it start of ventricular contraction. A. Bi and tricuspid valve are opened. B. Semilunar valves are closed. C. Bi and tricuspid valve are open and semilunar valves are closed. And D. Bi and tricuspid valves are closed and semilunar valves are open. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which valve allows blood to pass from heart to pulmonary artery? A. Right semilunar valve. B. Left tricuspid valve. C. Left semilunar valve. And D. Right tricuspid valve. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is myocardium of heart shows dash character. A. Smooth and involuntary. B. Smooth and voluntary. C. Striated and involuntary. And D. Striated and voluntary. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is and human only dash systematic arch is present. A. Left. B. Superior. C. Right. And D. Inferior. So the correct option is A. Left. The next MCQ is the heart muscle is nourished by A. Chambers of the heart, B. Right atrium, C. Coronary artery, and D. Left atrium. So the correct option is C. Coronary artery. The next MCQ is which one is continuation of iliac artery? A. Renal artery, B. Femoral artery, C. Hepatic artery, and D. Intercostal artery. So the correct option is B. Femoral artery. The next MCQ is which vein has oxygenated blood? A. Renal vein, B. Pulmonary vein, C. Subclavian vein, and D. Jugular vein. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is unmanned blood from alimentary canal to liver is transported by A. Hepatic portal vein, B. Hepatic vein, C. Pulmonary vein, and D. Renal vein. So the correct option is A. Pulmonary vein. Pulmonary hepatic portal vein. The next MCQ is the oxygenated blood from lungs to heart is transported by A. Pulmonary artery, B. Pulmonary vein, C. Coronary artery, and D. Hepatic artery. So the correct option is B. Pulmonary vein. The next MCQ is right atrium is separated from right ventricle by A. Bicuspid valve, C. Tricuspid valve, and D. C. Semilunar valve, and D. Anterolateral septum. So the correct option is B. Tricuspid valve. The next MCQ is the flaps of tricuspid valves are attached to muscular extension of right ventricle known as A. Smooth muscles, B. Intercostal muscles, C. Papillary muscles, and D. Skeletal muscles. So the correct option is C. Pulmonary papillary muscles. The next MCQ is in human the closed sac which surrounds the heart is A. Endocardium, B. Pericardium, C. Myocardium, and D. Epicardium. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.